What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by our MEATER channel. Let's talk about your MEATER Cloud account. Having a MEATER Cloud account is helpful because it lets you log and sync your cook history across all of your devices, as well as lets you monitor your cook pretty much anywhere you have an internet connection. Like if you're at the store or if you're down the street playing pickleball. If you've created an account on our website, that's actually separate from the cloud account in the app. So be sure to create the cloud account in the app. Subscribing on our site, MEATER.com, signs you up for our newsletter, which includes a good mix of news, recipes, product updates, and special promos. If it's the first time you've downloaded the app on your current phone or tablet, the app will prompt you to either log in or sign up. If you've created an account before on another device, tap Login and enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, we can pair all of your products immediately. Pretty cool, huh? Our engineers are so smart. If it's your first time creating a MEATER Cloud account, go ahead and sign up. Be sure to tap and agree to the terms and conditions to activate the sign up. If you've skipped the login and sign up screen at some point, no worries. You can tap the three dots at the top right, tap Settings, scroll down to MEATER Cloud, then tap Sign in to MEATER Cloud. Again, here's where you can tap Sign up to create an account or tap Login to log back into an account. If you already have an account but can't remember your login credentials because you're like me and have the memory of a goldfish. What? If you already have an account but can't remember your login credentials, you can tap I forgot my password to reset it. With MEATER Cloud ready to go, you can fully experience the connectivity suite with your Apple Watch, Alexa,
how are the pork chops doing?
21 minutes until your pork is done.
use our web monitor and share cook features, and monitor your cooks virtually anywhere. If you ever need troubleshooting or you're reaching out to a dedicated support team, we'll be able to properly help you out by reviewing your cloud cooks along with you. We're always cooking up more exciting features to our cloud, so be sure to keep up to date. Now that you're in the cloud, I hope you brought a poncho. For more protos, recipe inspirations, and tips and tricks, subscribe to this channel, follow us on social, and don't forget to check out MEATER.com. Happy eating! Guys? Oh! How do you get down from here? Hey, another fish.